I am Kandie.
I'm Anna.
And we are going to be doing animal noises. Just fingers.
Looks like a zoo.
Okay, so first we're going to be doing a fish. Right. Boom. Good. Yeah, that one's a good one.
Good job. I'm proud of you.
Okay, now we're going to be doing elephants.
Okay. Okay. I can't do it when I'm smiling. Okay.
Stop smiling.
I can't.
Okay, shh.
Okay. I can't.
Anna, get your head in the game. You gotta get your head in
That's
the
not
game.
helping.
Okay, just be completely serious, like for real.
Okay.
I got this. I'm gonna help you. In the arms of an angel, fly away from here. In the stars.
Okay, I got it.
Come on, that was so sad. Why are you happy?
I love you.
I got this. I'm gonna just put this in.
That was my elephant noise.
It was good, but I couldn't, I tried to keep up with you the whole time. Okay. Now.
Your face makes me.
Yeah, this.
I can't.
Don't worry about it. I can't breathe. Hold on 1 second. Wait.
You did it.
That's me being an elephant.
You did
Look
it.
how red my nose is. My septum's all messed up. What is this on my face?
I have a fake septum ring.
You should rock it.
No.
Rock out with your cock out.
You know who else has one?
Channel.
Alessia Cara.
See, she's cute. You let her. You could do it like her. You could do a little fake little septum
It's
ring.
bad. No, it's funny because I posted a picture of me with a fake septum ring, and then she did it the same day.
Oh my god, you guys.
I know. I freaked out. I was
Oh my
like,
god, we're low.
okay. We need to.
No, we need one more animal noise. One more animal noise.
Cat.
Okay, can we do like a few more? Okay, do a cat. Ready, go.
Chapo hisses at me all the time. It's not fair.
And my other cat, my cat Ollie, I can't really do it. He goes.
Yeah, he talks to birds.
He talks. He talks to me too.
I love him so much.
He's so cute. Taco doesn't really talk. She's just like, yes, love me. I'm the queen. Like, so like flipping her little tail too, like, do 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 do. I'm Taco. Look at me.
I'm Taco.
Cows. I sound like a ghost.
No, I can't do it. Moo.
Okay, last one. A chicken.
Oh no, I can't beat you with this.
You don't have to beat me. Just do it.
I can't do it.
Anna,
You do it
mine
too
is,
well.
Mine is not good at all. Mine is not good at all. It's tragic. I have a tragic chicken salad. Okay.
I hate you.
You go first.
Okay. No.
Just
you
do it.
it. I can't.
Bok, bok, bok.
I hate you. I know you can do better.
Just do it.
Cluck, cluck.
Cluck? That's your only. You just cluck. You don't. Bok,
Cluck, cluck.
bok, bok.
Chicken.
My tongue falls out every time I do it.
And it sounds
like-
so real. I can't do it. I can't deal with
I feel like it's more intensified like this.
Good job. Hit that.
Round of. Wait. Did not mean to leave you hanging.
I was about to break your finger. No, my broken finger.
Haley's broken pinky is a lie.
I know.
She's gonna watch this. Okay, Haley, I was joking. Your pinky is broken. There's something close to it because you didn't fall down the ladder. Okay, so I don't know what you did, but.
But you know what? I think it probably would have helped if you put ice on it when I told you to. I mean, you would not be in that pain.
Who told you, Haley? Who told you?
We told you.
We told you.
We told.
We
I
told
told you, but we
I
told.
told you too. I really told her in the attic. We told her. we said put some hot. We said I could put you some. We put some frozen dinners, some little chicken breasts, some Popeyes, and it was like. Anna said get a Popeye. Anna said get a Popeye. Haley get a Popeye. She put on her finger. Finally.
And then she left it there for like a second, and then it was on the couch for a minute.
Okay, this video is El Finito. Say goodbye to my love, my BFF, and a fun.
Bye, guys.
My name's Kandie. I like pickles and cheese. Bye. I stopped. I mean, I didn't press stop yet because the way Anna looks at me is so cute. I love her.